Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to apply the 10x rule to your business, your sales, and your mindset so you can start scaling fast. And if you're serious about multiplying your income, your business, and your success, keep watching. Let's dive in. Most people completely underestimate what it takes to be successful. They set tiny goals and wonder why they never make big money. They take small actions and expect massive results. They put in average effort and wonder why they stay stuck. And that is exactly why Grant Cardone created the 10x rule. Because the reality is, if you want massive success, you need to set bigger goals, take bigger action, and execute at a level 10x higher than everyone else. Most people set goals based on what they think is realistic. Most people play it safe because they don't want to fail. Most people settle for just a little better instead of game-changing success. Grant Cardone, he rejects that completely. He built a $1.5 billion real estate empire because he never thought small. He 10x'd his goals so big that failure still meant huge success. He didn't ask, how can I make a little bit more? He asked, how do I completely dominate my space? Most business owners and sales professionals are losing because they're aiming too low. Instead of setting a $10 million goal, they aim for 100,000. Instead of 10xing their pipeline, they make a few calls and hope for the best. Instead of thinking big, they let fear shrink their potential. Are your goals forcing you to level up, or are they keeping you comfortable? Are you thinking massive? Are you settling for what feels achievable? Are you pushing yourself 10 times harder? Or are you just working slightly above average? Top performers don't set realistic goals. They set impossible ones and then make them happen. If your goals don't scare you, they're way too small. We work with professionals who are ready to start thinking and executing at a 10x level. If you're tired of small results and want to start scaling aggressively, let's talk. Book a free strategy session below. Now let's talk about the biggest reason most people never hit their goals and how Cardone would fix it. Most people underestimate the amount of effort success requires. Most people take just enough action, then wonder why they don't get results. Most people stop at the first sign of resistance instead of pushing harder. Grant Cardone's rule: take 10x the amount of action you think is required. If you think you need to make 10 calls a day, make 100. If you think you need to run one ad campaign, run 10. If you think you need to ask for the sale once, ask 5 more times. Most people fail because they expect success to come with average efforts. But the market rewards those who take massive action over and over again. Are you doing the bare minimum? Are you taking 10x more action than your competition? Are you going all in? Are you waiting for success to come to you? Are you pushing your sales, marketing, and outreach 10 times harder? Or are you just hoping to grow? The people making the most money aren't the smartest. They're the ones taking massive action every single day. You need to take 10 times more action than you think is required every time. Now let's talk about the final key to the 10x rule that most people get wrong. Most businesses and sales professionals think the goal is to compete in their industry. But Grant Cardone didn't compete, he dominated. He doesn't try to be one of the best, he aims to be the best. He doesn't fight for market share, he takes over the whole market. He doesn't care about competition because they can't keep up with his level of action. Most business owners make the mistake of trying to be one of the top options in their space. The real winners make sure they are the only option. Are you trying to be good? Or are you working to be the only logical choice? Are you waiting for opportunities, or are you creating them? Are you thinking like a small player? Are you stepping up to dominate? 10x thinkers don't play fair, they play to win. Competing is for amateurs. If you want to win, you need to dominate. So here is your challenge. Which of these 10x principles do you need to apply right now? Are your goals too small? Are you taking way too little action? Are you competing? Are you working to dominate? The best don't just think differently, they execute differently. If you're serious about applying Grant Cardone's 10x rule to your business, your sales, and your income, let's build your strategy. Apply for coaching below and let's map out your success plan. And if you got value from this, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping high performance business strategies every single week. See you on the next one.